add some water. Now you get to use your hands. Cover it with oil so it doesn't dry out. Take it to someplace warm. The next morning, fold it onto itself a few times. Make sure it's not sticky. Put flour on a kitchen towel. Cover it and let it rise for 2 hours. Sprinkle cornmeal on the Dutch oven and then transfer your loaf. Cut an X in the top. Put the cover on. Bake it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take off the cover. Bake for another 7 to 10 minutes until golden brown. Thanks for watching.